Hi, today I'll show you how an app called Wipe works. Wipe is an app that can help you free up space on your hard drive by removing unnecessary data. Once the program initializes with the intuitive interface, you can set it to automatically eliminate traces and waste or enter the advanced cleaning mode to customize the settings. Therefore, you can clear the clipboard and auto-complete history in the Save opening box, empty the recycle bin, and clean the Run MRU list. But you can also clear the user assistant cache, delete temporary internet files and the My Recent Documents list, remove the history of folders used to copy or move files via Explorer, and delete the recent wallpapers list. Additionally, you can clear game statistics, manually type addresses, HTML help log, recovery cache, DOM storage, history records, system recovery files, saved logins and passwords, and more still. You can also remove tracks found in applications such as Windows Media Player, example Startup Playlist, CD Recording Path Playlist, Adobe Reader. List of recently accessed items, Flash Player plugin, QuickTime, Registry Editor, Winamp, and so on. For each of these areas you can view the total number of files, registry entries, and space occupied, in bytes. Additionally, you can access some of these objects, example view notes, and export lists for further evaluation. In the settings section, you can configure the deletion method, example standard delete, anti-single pass restore, access a task manager, add or remove items from a lock list, lock the screen with a password, enable running a tray agent when Windows starts and others. Wipe runs on a moderate amount of system resources, finishes a scanning and cleaning task quickly, and is simple for anyone to use. I highly recommend this app to all users who want to do a thorough cleaning job on their system. See you next video, and now some music.